Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting the controller recognized. First, plug it in or Bluetooth pair using the original cable. This avoids intermittent disconnects. Once connected, open Device Manager or Windows Update and install any available controller drivers, then restart the PC so changes apply. Next, make sure Xbox controller support or Steam input is enabled before you launch Fortnite. This prevents input conflicts. Doing these first steps ensures the system sees the controller and reduces troubleshooting later. Once your controller is recognized, open Fortnite and go straight to Settings, Controller tab, and set the input device to controller so the game reads it correctly. Then adjust dead zone, aim assist, and stick sensitivity. Small increments matter, so test each change in a creative lobby to feel the difference. If buttons don't match your layout, remap them in the same menu and save the profile. Make sure to exit settings fully. Some changes only apply after closing the menu. To finish, verify everything by relaunching Fortnite and testing in a match. If problems continue, reinstall the controller drivers or use DS4 Windows or the Xbox Accessories app to force correct mappings. Make sure to try another USB port and cable, repair Bluetooth, and power cycle the controller. These simple steps often fix connection quirks. If you still see issues, test the controller on another PC or swap a different controller on yours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.